Okay guys, here's what you don't want. DiGiorno pizza is a complete disaster to your health. Walk away from this section. Walk away and head into the produce section and get yourself some good nutrition in your body. The food you eat feeds the cells in your body, and it plays a part in your physical and mental health. And what I could tell you is if you don't take that serious, you're going to end up in a bad place somewhere. And it's not going to be good for you. And so go around and pick up some fruits and vegetables, whole foods. Not processed smoothies, but whole fruit, whole food vegetables that have not been processed or blended or added sugar or ingredients. Move your body, go for a walk, and stop ordering out. And stop eating DiGiorno pizza. Because if you don't, your life's going to be a disaster. And you're going to want some excuse on why your life is a disaster. You got to get out there and you got to get into the right food section in the supermarket. And you got to get the right mindset, and you got to start retraining your taste buds to eat healthy foods, healthy fats like these avocados, and get serious, about your health and about your life. It's the only way your life gets better.